In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress your video and the best tool to use. And that tool is any video converter. So to get to any video converter, you just enter this URL, anyvideoconverter.com. I would actually put the link on the description so you can just click and head on to this platform. So when you're on this platform, as you can see, it says your download should start shortly. If it doesn't, please click the download button below to begin manually. So usually what happens is that once you get on this page, it starts downloading on its own. But if it does not work that way for you, the best you want to do is click on this particular button to download it. Now, for me, I've already downloaded the platform. Once you download the platform, follow the installation process to complete installation. Once that is done, this is what you will see when you launch the platform. There are other tools you can actually use here. We have format convert, we have video download, we have compressed video. So what you want to do here is click on compressed video to head on to the compressed video screen. Now this is the compressed video interface. If you want to compress your video, of course you would have to add file by just clicking here. Now when you click on this file, so I have a video we can use, so I'll just head on to my downloads, pick a video. Okay, yes, let's pick this up. So as you can see, it's analyzing. Analysis completed, one file succeeded. So the video has been uploaded to any converter compressor interface. Now what I want to do, as you can see, the video is 1.1 gig. This is the size. Usually it's the default size here is 1 gig. This is 1048. So this right here is approximately 1 gig. What you want to do is you enter any size you want. That's when you're on the size tab, I could just clean this and enter 500. This would mean 500 MB, right? Now in percentage also, you have 30%, you have 80, 70, 60, 50, 48 and 30. So depending on which one you want, you can actually go for 80. 80 will give you a higher quality, but will compress less. What that means is that the video size will not be reduced much. So the lower you go, the lower the size of the video you want to compress. But I think sometimes that may also affect the quality. So if left to me, particularly if you're uploading to YouTube, I would say you go for 50%. All right, that would do. Now once you enter 50%, or you can use the size just the way I did it here, 500 MB. Once you've done this is the output, right? So for the output, it's usually on auto. For me, I usually just leave it on auto, but you could actually choose any other option in case you want to. Now once that is done, the next thing you want to do is click on compress. This is the compress now button. You click on the compress now button. Once you do that, it will bring up this window. So you don't have to upgrade, you don't have to pay for anything because it's totally free. You just have to click on continue. But if you want to, you can go ahead and pay. But for me, I just click on continue and it compresses my video. One thing I love about any video converter compressor is that it does it very fast, and you don't really need a high-end system to get it working. Something moderate can actually work, and as you can see, it's already fast. I'm going to pause the video and then show you when the file has been compressed. All right, so the compression is complete. As you can see here, compressed to 500 MB. Then there are no subtasks, so it's just showing here that it's been completed. If I go to my Explorer here, and this is the video, when I click on the property or I just hover on it, you can see that it's now 464 MB. So it shows that the video has been successfully compressed. If you want to do, no matter the size of the video, there were times I made videos of over 15 gig, and I literally will compress them to 1 gig using any video converter, and it will compress my video without losing the quality. So I really recommend this application. If you want to compress your video, this is the best place, or this is the best software to use. It's free and you don't have to pay for anything. All right, there you have it. The best way to compress your video If you have a video you want to compress, happy compressing. If you found this video valuable, please do it to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.